This is another important clone selected ERE4. ERE4, yeah, it's long dormancy, different from the original ERE, which crossing from Golden King and Rose Valley. So, but it has short dormancy, but I think this is long dormancy. So I'd like to have long storage capacity. Yeah, so this is called pretty much resistance. They're very vigorous. And as you can see, it's all ice here in the greenhouse. Yeah, they're growing pretty good compared to other clones. So this is supposed to be very strong, resistant to cold. Yeah, stem is pretty strong.